Ever wondered how Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant seem to understand you so well? It's all thanks to natural language processing, or NLP. Let's dive into how these virtual assistants work their magic in our everyday lives. First up, the basics. When you say, "Hey Siri, set an alarm for 7 a.m., your voice is captured by the device's microphone. It's then converted into digital data. Think of it as turning your voice into a series of numbers. This data is sent to powerful servers where the real magic happens. Here, NLP algorithms analyze your words, breaking them down into individual components. They recognize set, alarm, and 7 a.m. as key phrases. The system understands you're asking it to perform a task at a specific time. Now let's look at Alexa. Say you want to buy toothpaste. When you say, "Alexa, order toothpaste," she uses machine learning to understand the context and intent. Order triggers a search in Amazon's vast catalog, and Alexa picks the best match for toothpaste. Within seconds, your toothpaste is on its way. It's all about understanding context and intent. Google Assistant takes it a step further. Imagine you're in a new city and say, "Hey Google, find me the best pizza place nearby." Google Assistant uses NLP to understand best and nearby along with your location data to present the top-rated pizza places close to you. It even learns your preferences over time, suggesting places that match your taste. That's personalization in action, making your life easier and tastier. But how do they get so smart? Continuous learning. These assistants are always learning from vast amounts of data. Each interaction helps improve their accuracy and response times. It's like having a personal assistant who gets better at their job every day. They also use something called contextual understanding. If you ask, "What's the weather like?" followed by, "Do I need an umbrella?" the assistant understands that "Do I need an umbrella?" is related to the previous weather query. This seamless understanding makes interactions feel more natural. So next time you use Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, remember, it's not just about voice recognition. It's about complex algorithms and continuous learning making your life simpler. From setting alarms to ordering products and finding the best pizza, these virtual assistants are truly magical. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed learning about the magic behind virtual assistants, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights. Catch you in the next video.